Now this is the part 2. Okay, as I've said, click in voice off of voice supra and click on voice on. Now I do have a video. This is a part 2. Part 2. Okay? Here, part 2. Okay? After you click on edit and click here and click on edit and check this one, read room empty pocket here. As you can see, I do have a VC. Okay, after you room this, okay, here, after you click a particular room, the same room, example MMB5, click that, join again. After clicking that and join again, first thing you must do is, remember guys, off the BC. It will have a BC of Y Supra but not in here in the box B5. You must off the BC of Y Supra, off it, and then click on file, and click on voice on, and you will have a BC. And that's the trick. Okay, so this is Sonoma signing out. Okay, first you must go to room, check on check the read for a room empty pocket, join the room. After that, if it says connection failed for unknown reasons, you must off the BC of Y Supra, then click on file and click on voice on all box B5 and you will have a BC. That's it. That's the trick. So this is Sonoma signing out in YouTube, and I do hope you guys put my tutorial. And if you do like my tutorial, please follow the step-by-step instruction of what I've done in box B5, and you will not be mistaken. Okay, and that's it. So this is Sonoma signing out in YouTube, and bye guys. Remember, if you have a voice error, you must off the voice of voice supra and click on file and click on voice on box B5. That's the trick. Bye guys.